Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and to select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. Today's video is the final bathroom makeover update series. I will be closing it out with the caulk grouting and decorating. But first, let me share some before pictures with you. The first video was about updating this vanity. Video number 2 was about updating the shower surround and niche. And video number 3 was dry fitting the tile on this floor. But here's what the bathroom looked like before all that. That's my beautiful grandson when he's about 2 or 3 years old. But the wall paint you can see there and the trimming was gold. You can even see the curtain. This was like a late 1990s, early 2000 decor colors. Just to kind of give you an overall, this was the color throughout my client's home. The entire home will get a makeover update, but let's finish this bathroom. Here I am laying down the permanent installation. Again, video number 3 was just the dry fitting. Now I am just permanently laying them down, and then I will be showing you how I will be filling in the gaps. And I want to thank you for stopping by. Okay, I'm done laying down all the tiles, and when I stand up and look, you'll see some of them have like a gap. Let's see, gap is there. Like this here is closed up, and I believe that's because this is another day. Yesterday, I finished putting the floors down. And I used this, which I purchased from Dollar General for $3.50 to go around, all the way around. All around the wall. Well, I did it between one of the tiles, and it gave it a finished look. So I'm going to record and show. This is a good way to close up the gaps. Thank you so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.